Hey there, Morgan here from Crafting a Lovely Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Hello Love banner using your Cricut and iron-on vinyl. This banner was very easy to make and turned out so cute. It's the perfect easy project for Valentine's Day. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get our felt cut down to the right size for our banner. You can cut the felt banner on the Cricut if you want, but I chose to cut my banner by hand since it's pretty simple to do. You will first want to cut a rectangle that is 11 inches wide by 13 inches long. Then measure 2.5 inches from the bottom on each side of the banner and make a mark with a pin. Next, fold the banner in half and make a mark at the bottom center of the banner. Then you can cut from the center of the banner to one side. Now do the same thing for the other side so that the end is pointed. Now we can open up a new project in Cricut Design Space and upload our SVG file. You can get this design on my website, which I will link below. Next, we can resize the image to fit our banner. For this banner, I think 8.5 inches wide will be about perfect for the design. We will also need to attach parts of the design before we cut, so go ahead and select the entire image and click on Group. Now we can select the black layer and click Attach, then click Make It. Since we are using iron-on vinyl, we will also need to turn on the mirror option for both of the mats. Click Continue and we can select our material type. For the black vinyl, I'm using a non-Cricut heat transfer vinyl, so I will browse materials and search for heat transfer, and then select Heat Transfer Non-Cricut. Now we can place the black heat transfer vinyl with the shiny side down on a standard grip mat. Then we can load the mat and start cutting. Once the mat is done cutting, we can unload it and remove the vinyl. Now we will go back into Design Space and select our material type for the red vinyl. I will browse materials again and search for glitter iron-on. Now we can place the glitter vinyl on the standard grip mat with the shiny side down and use the brayer tool to secure the vinyl. Load the mat again and start cutting. Then unload the mat and remove the glitter vinyl. Now we are ready to start weeding. If you have any excess vinyl with no cuts on it, you can cut that away from the design and save the scraps for a smaller future project. To weed the vinyl, use a weeding tool to pull up the corner and then remove the bulk of the excess vinyl. Next, you will use the weeding tool to remove the smaller parts of the design that you don't want on the banner. When the glitter heart has been weeded, you can place it onto the center of the Hello Love design. Make sure the glitter side is sticking to the plastic backing sheet of the Hello Love design, otherwise it will not adhere to the banner. Now we are going to set the temperature and time for our heat press. Cricut's heat guide recommends setting the temperature to 270 degrees and the time to 30 seconds for this vinyl and felt material type. Once the Easy Press has reached the right temperature, you can place it on top of the design and heat it for 30 seconds. Then flip the banner over and heat it for an additional 15 seconds on the back. The vinyl I'm using today is a cool peel, so I waited until it was cool to the touch before I peeled up the plastic backing sheet on it. Double check if your vinyl is a warm peel or a cool peel vinyl before removing the plastic. If any part of the design lifts up when you peel back the plastic sheet, just place the plastic backing sheet for the entire design back down and heat it for a bit longer until it sticks. Now we can add on the red pom-pom trim. The trim can be hot glued to the front or the back of the banner, but I preferred seeing the extra red trim, so I glued it right onto the front. Next, we are going to flip over the banner and fold the top over the dowel rod. Then we can use hot glue to secure the dowel to the top of the banner. Make sure your dowel is centered before you apply your glue. I did not do this, so one side of the dowel sticks out a bit more than the other. Once the hot glue is dry, you can flip the banner back over and tie some string or ribbon around each side of the dowel rod so your banner can be hung. I think this Hello Love banner turned out so pretty. It's the perfect addition to my Valentine's Day decorations this year. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and get a chance to make your own Valentine's Day banner. Don't forget to grab this design on my website listed below. Be sure to subscribe below so you can follow along each week as I share new crafty projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!